Good morning. My name is Prachi Arora and my PhD is from ACSI, that is Academic of Scientific and Innovative Research. Research is carried under the CSI Laboratory, Chandigarh. My title of my PhD is Optimization of Copper-Based Water Storage Device and Automated Microbial Counting for the Assessment of the Drinking Water. This research comes under the area of Engineering Sciences and done under the guidance of Dr. Neelam Kumari and Dr. Suman Tiwari sir. As we all know that the water scarcity and the drinking water contamination is one of the multifaceted issue. Safe drinking water is not only the fundamental right, but also provide the satisfactory livelihood, economic growth and the education. Assess in providing the safe drinking water has a top priority for all the citizens of India by 2030 and is one of the comes under the sustainable development goal. The lack and the access of clean drinking water in the outskirts and especially in the rural area lead to the storage of the water in the various containers like plastic, glass, tubs, and which results in the microbial contamination, which furthers and microbial contamination further leads to the various diseases like waterborne diseases like typhoid, diarrhea, dysentery, gastroenteric, and which further attribute to the decrease in the human immunity and increases the rate of the mortality rate. And the second problem which I observed that to detect these microorganisms, plate count is a traditional method used by the researchers as well as the academicians to assess the quality of the drinking water. Now, counting these bacterial colonies on the Petri plate or a agar plate is a very tedious, time consuming. So at this junction, the aim of this doctoral research thesis is to design, develop and fabricate a low cost copper based water storage device which can effectively kill the microorganism without compromising the water quality. So this is a copper device which I designed and fabricated. This is a low cost copper water storage device using the anti-resistant microbial material. So this can easily be fit into any water storage bottle having the wide mouth. So this is one of the contribution of my thesis, and the second contribution is a design of imaging. So that is also the imaging box. So that is the fabricated design is simple, user friendly, affordable, so that it gives the good quality images of bacterial colony that is grown on the agar plate, which is further useful for the academicians as well as the researchers, as well for the demonstration for the school student for how to capture the bacterial colonies without shadowing and without blur. So this is the second contribution, and the third contribution is the generation of different data sets. Data set of like E. coli. I have generated the data set of E. coli, S. aureus, Chromobacterium that will add a valuable contribution to the computer science, computer vision, or a computer science researchers, as well as for the microbiology. This device and the third contribution in the thesis is the design of algorithm for the automatic counting of bacterial colonies, which is to reduce the task of manual counting, which is tedious, with some accuracy and precise values as compared to the manual count. So finally, I wanted to say that this research work has a great potential due to its outstanding concept and the distinct nature, and further useful for both the society as well as for the academician and the research laboratories too. So, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.